it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to meet you all. In Japan, IKEA has started a match affair. I wonder if IKEA in your country has any special events. It seems like it would vary by country. I chose matcha tiramisu. It was absolutely filling. After eating, I'd like to walking around the store about 3 times to digest. Today, I will introduce IKEA's new products, especially because I visit IKEA more than once a week. I have some exciting items I really want to share with you. So, please stay with me till the end. First up, we have the 4th installment of the revival series, the Nytillverkad collection. It was announced to be released on April 5th in Japan, and I haven't seen the actual product yet. The release dates vary by country. I saw that people in Malaysia have already posted it on Instagram, and it looked very cute. This green chair in particular catches the eye, doesn't it? It seems like it's going to be very popular. I was looking at this rattan chair thinking it was very cute. This white vase is already on sale in Japan. I bought it, so I think I can introduce it in the next video. The lineup for this Nytillverkad collection is impressive, with green and red standing out. And this flower print is also quite noticeable. Next, I'd like to introduce another new collection, the TESAMMANS series. This is a collaboration with the Dutch designer Raw Color. As you can see, the combination of colors is truly beautiful. In Japan, these items were launched on April 3rd, and almost instantly, most of them were sold out due to their incredible popularity. I managed to purchase a few online myself. They haven't arrived yet, but I'll be sure to introduce them once they do. The lineup for the TESAMMANS collection looks like this. It seems that the product lineup varies by country. Now let's talk about some products that are currently on sale. Here is a pot set, and guess what? The handles are removable. This makes storage so much easier and more convenient. The detachment and attachment are quite smooth. The handles are completely detachable, which I think might make them less prone to getting dirty. You can also buy just the handles. There's a set of 2 pots, and there are also sets that include frying pans. Dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus in my book, and the prices are very reasonable. Next up is the BRÖGGAN series, which features a slightly retro pattern. A viewer from the USA sent me some pictures of IKEA USA, where they were selling items like mugs and trays with dot patterns. I thought this carafe was extremely cute, which is part of the same BRÖGGAN series. I had previously introduced an idea for making a portable light with a carafe, and it's the one you see on the right. The BRÖGGAN carafe also seems like it would make a nice lamp. I checked it out on the web beforehand and thought this cutting board was cute. It's round, and the actual product is, well, wow. It's really big. It's also quite heavy, but I suppose that means it's sturdy. I've heard that round cutting boards are handy, but I thought it's bigger than I expected. That's an IKEA classic, but it exceeded even my expectations. Be careful not to make the same mistake. Next is about cushion covers. These are made of a material that can be used outdoors, and I thought the rough texture was super cool. Then there are these hooks with cute coloring. They used to sell white ones, but now there's a set of 4 colors. The pricing seems a bit off to me. The white set is 2 for £2.5, but this set of 4 is also 2.5 pounds. Quite strange, but very cute. This product is highly recommended for those using the Mica desk, as it fits perfectly on the door, allowing you to hang bags and such. Very handy. The steel construction is also a plus. Personally, I think the purple ones are incredibly cute. Next, the pet series. I've introduced it a bit before, but I thought this dish was really cute, so I went to have another look. I saw this adorable cat house on the IKEA US site. Moving on, I found something interesting. This is a trash bin for organic waste. It has a rounded bottom for easier cleaning, and the lid can be hooked on like this. A clever design. This green color is becoming quite common at IKEA. While it's not a new product, I want to recommend a storage item that's perfect for this season. It's the SKUBB, famous for bedding storage. The mini size is particularly on sale in many countries, and it's definitely a purchase you won't regret. Surprisingly, it has been discontinued in the US. Why I recommend it around this time is because it's handy for storing artworks. Kids' artworks tend to be inexplicably large, right? They fit perfectly into this size of SKUBB. I usually toss them in here for storage. The small size of SKUBBY fits perfectly on top of a closet, and being able to store it standing up is a major plus. The classic ISTAD freezer bags have released a new pattern with yellow lemons. They come in a flat type without a base. I tend to buy them because the patterns change every time. I use this size to give snacks to my kids, but how do you use them? Next is about the desk mat. I've been using it as a mouse pad, the felt that you place inside drawers. I went back for a repeat purchase because the one I'm using started to pill. This product is really great as a mouse pad. Desk mats like this are surprisingly expensive, but this one is only 299 yen, which is very affordable. It feels nice and smooth, and it's big enough that your hand doesn't get cold. I learned while editing this video that for some reason it doesn't seem to be sold outside of Japan. It's a really good product, so it's a shame. I hope it becomes available in other countries. I also bought this frame. This time, I'll include how to install it using double-sided tape hooks. These hooks are removable, which is great for renters, though it might depend on the wallpaper and could peel off. And even for those with concrete walls. The postcard didn't quite fit, but I decided to go ahead and display it. This frame has a feature where you can change the depth, allowing you to set the display area either to the front or the back. And this frame at this size is only 3.999 euro in Germany. Isn't that incredibly cheap? Even the dollar store would be surprised. When opened, it came with instructions on how to adjust the depth, explaining that you can set the thin white frame either to the front or the back. So this is how it turned out. I tried to make it feel a bit like spring by adding some pink tones. I thought it looked cute, even just placed directly on a surface. But since I also want to introduce the hooks, I'll go ahead and install it on the wall. When you hang a frame at eye level, it feels natural and looks good. The hooks come with instructions, so don't worry, but it was very simple. Have you ever used TESA tape? It's famous for its pull-to-remove double-sided tape that can hold up to 2 kilograms. First, you stick 2 double-sided tape to the wall and press down for 15 seconds. After that, you peel off the liner and attach the hook part, pressing down for 5 seconds on each of 3 areas. And that's it, you're done. There's no curing time mentioned. Now you can hang it up right away. Amazing, so simple. I thought it would be nice to hang up some pink decorations, so I bought a candle holder on sale. It was so close. In the next video, I still have more purchases to introduce. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video soon.